Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This message is coming to you from the Cafe Lounge. The Cafe Lounge is located in the lower level of the observation car. It is open and serving. We ask that you, when you walk in amongst the train, you have on shoes, please. Children 12 and under must be accompanied by a parent or guardian. If you are purchasing alcoholic beverages, we ask that you have a valid ID. Once again, the Cafe Lounge is open and serving. Thank you and welcome aboard.
Industrial. Just think one time this was all cars, smashed cars.
I asked him about the dining car and he said it was open now. What?
The lounge is open.
No,
Is it the motion going by that it's turning?
Yeah.
Okay, we just passed the Park Road almost our
New one or the old one?
the new one. Desert Vista Park. So
9690. Isn't there a C&NW unit in there?
Perfect.
no, that would. But I would throw it back.
Oh, there it is, 9771. It's behind. 5300. Ew.